Here's how to zoom in on VS Code. I'll show you this on both Windows and Mac since the keyboard shortcuts are slightly different. The fastest way to zoom in is with a keyboard shortcut. On Windows or Linux, press Control plus equals. On Mac, press Command plus equals. You can also use the plus key instead of equals. They're the same key on most keyboards, so either works. As soon as you press it, the entire VS Code interface zooms in by 20%. This includes the editor, the sidebar, the activity bar on the left, and everything else. You'll see it all increase in size at once. If you want to zoom in even more, just press the shortcut again. Each time you press it, it adds another zoom increment. Keep pressing until you reach the size that works for you. Once you've set your zoom level, it stays that way even after you close and reopen VS Code. The zoom level is saved automatically, so you won't have to adjust it every time you launch the editor. If you ever want to reset back to the default zoom level, press Ctrl plus numpad 0 on Windows or Linux, or Command plus numpad 0 on Mac. That takes you straight back to 100%. And if you zoom in too far and need to zoom out a bit, the shortcut for that is Ctrl plus minus on Windows and Linux, or Command plus minus on Mac. You can use that to fine-tune until you find the right balance. A couple of quick tips. This keyboard zoom affects your entire VS Code interface. The editor, menus, sidebar, everything scales together. If you only want to zoom the text in your code editor without changing the rest of the interface, there's a separate setting called mouse wheel zoom you can enable in your preferences. Once that's on, hold Control or Command and scroll your mouse wheel to zoom just the font. This interface zoom is particularly useful if you're doing a presentation, working on a large monitor, or if your eyes are tired at the end of the day. The zoom level applies to all your VS Code windows, so you only need to set it once. Hope this helped. If it did, a like and a subscribe helps the channel. See you next time.